the people who don't get the like sports person, who never get the some type of followers and views for the themselves, who being a real personality and true personality, who being on the truth and supported the truth. But the people who also always get the views and the likes for their fakeness, for their artificiality on the social media, that's also created by the people. Hello everyone. Imagine a world where artificiality guides our decision and virtual reality shape our experiences, and social media could influence our interaction with people. I'm Sartev Aziz, and I'm going to present a topic that artificiality has become a part of human life or in their nature. As a starting, we cannot say that their nature are like that, become artificiality. Some consequences created like that. Some people are have to show some different personality to a different situation. The condition created the situation for them, sometimes a person who are not well rich or well educated, but if somebody in a group who are like to present themselves wisely, they can create some fakeness around them. We cannot say that and also we have example of social media where the people who hiding their real identity for showing the fakeness to a people, for the people views and the likes, that also defines the fakeness of a people who only knows the flaunting their wealth, flaunting the fakeness of them. They hide the reality, they hide the real personality from the people. If they show the real personality to people, they also don't like. The people also create some situation for the people also. The people who don't get the like sports person, who never get the some type of followers and views for the themselves, who being a real personality and true personality, who being on the truth and supported the truth. But the people who also always get the views and the likes for their fakeness, for their artificiality on the social media, that's also created by the people. The situation, the created that consequences created by people. When a person who are lower than anyone, the people get to make feel to a person. And we have example also, like in our school, where also a good teacher and a bad teacher. We cannot say a bad teacher. When a person supporting the fakeness from the school, and a teacher being strict on the truth, the surrounding the environment created like that, and everyone get started hating a person. And there is not only a teacher but also a student. If a student being stick on a truth and being real, the everyone get to detach from them, and also started hated them. We can also describe this by that if a person show the real personality and show the truth to a person, they also sometimes it's the consequences and a situation for them also, and it's can often leading the positive or negative consequences also. Sometimes you have to show yourself, your best self, from like just like in interview, you have to show your best side or a personality to interviewers who are taking your interviews. And sometimes where they are not a use of your fakeness, but sometimes people always show and flaunting their fakeness and artificiality. That's in their nature. But if a person who are only doing for the some situation, that's also that's for their in life. I want to say that artificiality has become a significant indeed an aspect in a human life, like often leading to a positive consequences or negative consequences. People always support the fakeness, not we can say that, but sometimes situation created for them like to support fakeness. In a conclusion, I want to say that artificiality does play or does not, but it depends on the aura of a people's life. Thank you so much.